I'm getting started and I almost forgot. I said I was going to be doing these videos. So, I'm getting ready to make some lunch for my son. And we are getting ready to have, I found a 10-pack. I thought it was a 4-pack. Turned out that this is a 10-pack. Because I thought it was a 4-pack, I bought 4 of them. So now I got 40 of these bad boys. So I'm about to have some sandwiches. So I'm about to make me some portabella sandwiches. And I'm going to make some cheese. So I don't remember if I uploaded the recipe on how to make the cheese. I make it out of Brazilian nuts and hemp milk with some herbs. So I'm going to make the cheese, but I'm going to make it in a different video, and this one is just me starting to make the burger. So this is how I season the burger. This is how I prep the pan. I use 2 pans. I use the cast iron pan. I use the ones that set inside each other. What I'm going to do is oil the pan, and then once I season up my mushrooms, then I'll put the other pan on top, or oil that bottom, and then I'll put that on top, and then that'll smush it on down, but it will make it all with the seasonings all within the sandwich. So let me turn the oven on. I like to keep everything at below 4, and that way it doesn't burn things, because it doesn't take much to cook the food. You can eat raw. It's not really getting cooked, is it? It's just getting seasoned. So it looks like I've used up that one. Don't think I opened up these small ones yet. And I bought this wrong, so I got to take it back. But I think this is, if it's not open, I'm about to open it. So pardon me for a second while I use my hands. Okay. Now I'm going to oil this pan. I'm going to put some grapeseed oil. Oh, I forgot. I got to take the lid off too. Yeah, I'm up here. I'm wondering why it's not pouring. So this is grapeseed oil, which is on Dr. Sebi's approved list. 100% grapeseed oil. And I'm going to put that in the pan just a little bit right there in the center. And then I'm going to reach in here and I'm going to grab one of these, and that way I can spread it all out evenly get the pan ready, in which I'm going to freeze the video and come back with the bottom of the pan already, of the other pan seasoned. So you won't see me do that. It'll just be done. Okay? But while this is heating up, I'm going to get the seasoning going. So I put seasoning at the top, I put seasoning at the bottom, but the seasoning at the bottom is the part that sticks. He doesn't like cayenne pepper, so I won't be putting any spice on his, but I will be spicing mine up. I definitely know I want a little bit of salt, so I got some sea salt. Pretty much in this alkaline world, you get to learn how to kind of season to taste. So it's not really as much as take amount of this amount of that. You just kind of learn how to season according to your taste buds. So I got some onion powder. I'm going to sprinkle some of that at the top and the bottom. Like I said, it's kind of your choice. But then sometimes things don't go as you choose. But that's okay, because you're not going to hurt anything. Get a little bit more. I sprinkled that, but I didn't sprinkle this. Come on out. Come on out, powder. Out. Okay. I got that. What else do I want? I got some. Now, this is not what it says on here, because this is mine. I made this. This is papaya seeds that I grind in my coffee grinder back there. So I'll take them and put them in my dehydrator over there and dehydrate them and then grind them up. And that acts as my pepper. So that's as much as I'm going to put at the top. Mostly I want to season up the bottom. Get them in the fins so that it can get trapped. The seasoning can get trapped in the fins when I go to prepare the food. So I'm putting the same stuff that I put at that side, but I'm going to put some more seasoning. I'm going to put some thyme and some, I think I'm out of rosemary, but I'm going to look. I think I used up all my rosemary. Put some more onion powder. And so you kind of, like I said, get to start learning what you like. So far I've got the salt, I've got the papaya seeds that act as pepper, and I've got onion powder, and now I'm pulling the thyme off the shelf. I'm going to put a little bit of thyme in it. Isn't that ironic? Thyme. Sprinkle that on the thin side. And almost everything I do, it's got to have my dill. Where is my dill? I'm looking for my dill. My dill. Here's my dill. Sprinkle that in there. And I'm getting ready to see if I have any more rosemary. I had ground some up, but it looks like I've already used up my rosemary. So now I'm going to transfer all of this, making room. I'm going to transfer this to the pan. Then I'm going to base some oil on the bottom of the pan. It's kind of separating, spread out again. As a matter of fact, I am going to, let's see, can I? I don't think I can. I'm going to freeze this and come back. I'll be back in a minute.